Hey guys, I'm going to show you a fast way on how to stream League of Legends in Streamlabs and solve the infamous black screen of death. So first, you're gonna have to add a scene and name it LOL window 1. Then add a source and click the window capture. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name mine LOL champ select or lobby. Click add source. Now choose the league client X for the window and hit done. And there you have it, your client for Streamlabs. But we are not done yet. To capture the actual game, you need a second scene and window source for it to able to capture the actual game. So go to the video and change the window mode from full screen to borderless. This fixes the black screen capture on your Streamlabs. Now same process, add a scene, name it, then add the source, and make sure you add a new source of window capture. Now, choose the League of Legends team client and boom! Now Streamlabs captures your gameplay. Subscribe to my channel if the video helps. If not, comment below and I will try to help you. And suggest a tutorial as well.